Good morning, Belle.
Yummy.
Mapait ba yung matcha nila?
No. Mapait.
Tikman mo yung akin. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Belle.
Nakakalito.
No.
Hi! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi first! This is pretty girl. This is a pretty kitty. Yeah. Very good.
Bodyguard?
That's Tita.
Bodyguard, no? Aurelio.
Tikman yung matcha natin.
On the way to
What about
IKEA.
gravy with rice?
Hi! Baby. Yeah, baby.
What about gravy with rice?
What's your name? Belle.
No, that's not for you. That's for adults. That's for tita.
Oh, boy, kasi niya.
Excuse me. Sabi mo.
One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Clap.
Doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping
Sabi
on the
sabi
bed.
niya.
Very good. Sabi niya.
Jumping on the bed.
one fell off and
Bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
one little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed. I'm on.
no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Right.
Alright.
And ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, head,
Ay, nakay sa IKEA.
toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, tummy, ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders,
Uy, pwede na siya
knees
dyan.
and
Wala nang
toes,
mamuha dito. Errand. Next stop is IKEA. IKEA.
Ipos mo muna yan, Tita. Ano man?
We're here with Dane. Here, Jason. Belle. And Mama Da. Hi, Belle! You're not allowed there. Oh, no. No. No.
It's there. It's there. Tama na. Yahoo! Uy, bawal to doon. Bawal to doon.
Hindi ko alam.
You want?
Well,
Ato na. Let's go. Jason! Well, moin.
right now we're looking for... What are we looking for?
A diaper.
Because...
I forgot to bring a diaper. And she pooped.
Hi! He
It's August 21. 4 p.m. Okay, kailangan ko mag-CR. Ding, ding. Anong gusto mo?
I want diaper rash.
Wow, you like Belle? Belle? You like it? You like it, baby? For the baby na hindi na nagkasalita. Si may poo. Hi! You wanna stay there na? You don't wanna go na? Come on! Hi, Belle!
Second floor pala tayo. Galing.
CR. Not right in here. Yata. Ay, ang malaki pala yung locker.
Ano naman tayo?
Movie scan. Cinema here. Ay, now showing ko naman now. You like? Belle.
Ay, dito ako. Hindi mo kasi ako nakita. Ako na naman ito. Ba't tayo sa kids cinema?
Yan na, couch.
Ayun na mga couch.
Ay, oh.
Oh, you have Toby and you have a monkey.
That's Arya.
Oh, that's Arya pala.
Oh!
Oops. Hindi, hiram lang.
Belle. What's his name?
No, this one. Who is this? Who is this? Arya?
Who's this? Arya, no! This is Arya. And this is... No! Arya's not a monkey. Sorry. You don't like that. I'm sorry. Aw, no more Arya. Hi. Belle. Kaya nga, mas maliit nga. Belle. Ay, sus. Ah, beautiful face mo. Beautiful eyes mo na. Beautiful eyes. Are you sleepy? Huh? Baby? Sleepy baby? Sus. Sleepy baby? Where? Hi, Belle. Tired na ang baby. Say hi. Ayun na. We're almost done. Hi, Dad.
Ganun siya. Tapos yan. Pag-bless natin sa inyo.
Steps is 7K steps already. And it's 5:57 p.m. Hi! 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 Belle. Yeah. It's not that tasty. Ah, 10 lang. Pwede coin lang. Sabi mo, bariya. 10 lang. Stop mo.
Bye-bye.
Gamitin mo to. Kaya bibili na, pinabili niya. Belle, you wanna say hi?
Samara, wait, Samara.
You wanna say hi? Hey! Show me! Belle! Tada!
Walang going up.
Yummy!
Kabila.
Yummy! Yummy, Belle! We're going up! Yum?
We're gonna go eat. No, saya kita dalayin eat. Sa bahay na lang. Siya yung kaya natin.
Hi, Belle!
Salarin. Lyrics yan ang bunyi.
Thank you.
Nagagawa ba yun sa inyo?
What's that?
Yung WWE moves. Sa akin ginagawa lagi sa akin yung Undertaker. Ginaganon ako ng anong dahilan, ng ka-racist. Ginaganon ako. Pag sumasakit mo dito.
Ano? Nilalaro niya pala talaga yan. Paano i-act?
Naka-on talaga lights.
Hindi, binibidyoan ko kasi si Belle.
Huwag mo videohan nasa car.
Nana.
Nasa car seat.
Nana.
Nagpapakyut na siya right now.
Nagan sa akin sa'yo.